Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to find all your old games that you just installed and uninstalled on the Play Store. So by using this, you can just find all the history of your games that you just played in your old days, old memories, and you can just find all the games that you just used before long days ago by using this games history on the Play Store. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to find the history of all the installed games on your Play Store? So you can just find all the old installed games on your Play Store by using this particular setting. Just click on, you open your Play Store, click on the profile on the top. Now just click on the manage apps and device. Now you just need to click on the updates manage on the top. Now you will see there is an option called install. You just change this to not installed. Then you just need to select the games because it's showing apps and everything. You just click on games. Now you will see all the games that you just installed on the early days or old games that you can see the Agent Dash is my favorite game. It's so cool, and you can just click here and you will can select the apps that you just need to install again. And for an example, I just love Agent Dash game and Angry Bird game. So just click this and you can see option called install. You can just install directly, or you can just also remove from the list like this. Click on this, which will be removed from your history. And then I just want to show you just can want to sort by recently added, so it will show the lastly you just deleted games here. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.